So in this video we're going to be looking at how we can upload classes and link the classes to the users that have already been uploaded. Uploading particular classes will give students access to particular apps. So if you want students to be able to access the geography app, the geography classes need to be uploaded. Selecting classes, it will take you to a download template page and then an upload button. So now let's download the template. Here you can see you've got an admission number column and then the class code column. Here you need to provide the admission numbers of the students that you want to link to particular classes, and this means that an admission number may appear more than once within this column for each of the different subjects that they may relate to. So for example, I've begun completing another template, and here you can see the same admission number being linked to a range of different subjects. Now these class codes are exactly the same as what you would get from an MIS system. So for example, the top one might be typical for a maths class, in which case the letter after the year group may be different, but the class code MA signifies that it is maths. I'm just simply going to select save and go back and upload the document. Uploading the document will send you to a page where you can see that the system has already highlighted that this relates to an English class. If it happens to be just for English language or English literature, you can select this from the drop-down list. Taking a quick look through and just making sure that the pairings have worked, you can see that there is one class code that the system didn't recognise. So selecting the drop-down box and finding the name of the subject that it links to, we can then submit. It will take you to a preview page so it can show you what is new. So all of these class codes for this student that I newly uploaded were all new. And it will also show you what is going to change. So for some existing students, you can see that their English classes are changing and also their maths classes are changing. We also then look at the students that were not included. Again, a bit like with the user preview, this will highlight perhaps students that have possibly been left. Select commit. It then asks whether you want to remove the students that were not in your upload or simply skip. Some classes were not uploaded at all, and therefore the system is now asking if you want to remove any particular class codes that are not relevant anymore. So for example, student 1 happened to be linked to the geography class 11GG1. If you want to remove this, simply select remove class and it will remove anyone within this list. I'm going to select skip. The process is now complete. Students have been now linked to particular classes, and therefore, for instance, the one student I uploaded before now will have access to their English app and maths app because there were two classes that the student was linked to.